Hey, it's Faye. You guys are familiar with my big booby girl hauls. The reason why I do my hauls is to show you guys how one-sized Asian clothing items can fit a not averaged sized Asian girl. So to just clear it up, a lot of Asian sizes run smaller. I'm not your average that can fit the culturally ideal sizes that run in Asia. So me doing those hauls is to show you how those clothes fit on my body shape because I have wings, you know? And there ain't nothing wrong with that. I get two types of the same reoccurring comments that are generalized. It's either I'm too big to fit that one size clothing item. And the other comment I get is I don't think I'll fit that clothing item because I don't have your boobs. Or I'm tinier than you, or I don't think it'll look good on me. So today, I thought it would be super fun if I get my sister on this channel. I forced her. I thought this video will be super helpful if you guys can see that both of us can wear and try the same clothing items labeled as one-sized with our different body shapes and body types. We are short though, so that's similar. Anyway, enjoy this video. So, as you guys can tell, we're complete opposites. Okay, do you know that I don't know if I understand. Do you know, just so you guys can compare our bodies, turn to your side. We did this. Other side? Look at our arm differences. Side. We're the same. So, as you guys can tell, my sister's a lot tinier than I am.
Oh, come here.
My chest is a C-ish. I think I used to be a D-ish, but then I kind of shrunk.
And I'm a cup.
Just by our arms, you can tell that I work out. Look at my guns. Please don't take anything offensive. We literally joke like this all the time about our weight, our sizes. And you'll know if you have siblings, we poke fun at each other all the time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first piece, what do we try, the pink one? It's so bad on me, my armpit.
Should I try it first, then you try it?
So it's more shocking?
No, so like you don't stretch it out.
So the first item is this red tube top that you guys saw me in my previous haul where I was like, I can't wear it, it's too tiny for me. Well, I believe it fits my sister a lot better than it does me. Does it squeeze you? No.
If I dress like you.
No, we don't even look, I don't even look like that.
No, like wearing strapless all the time.
Oh, it's not tight. The flimsy cups.
Look.
It's either hit or miss. This was a hit. Miss. Miss. Okay, my turn. I just want to put it on camera because you guys are going to see how I struggle in this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Hey, it's not that bad. Oh my god. This is so embarrassing, but do you guys see what I mean? Look, it's so bad.
You can see the white.
It like goes out like this. Yeah, the fabric is struggling. Lengthwise, it's okay. Just look at the cups. And all of my back fat has collected into one spot. So that's how it looks on both of us. You're literally gonna have to help me take this off. Come on. Ow!
I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else.
Okay, so here's the next piece. This is one of my favorite pieces that I wear all the time.
How do you even wear this? It's like almost tight on me.
So you think I'm
Why do you look like that? This is kind of tight, you said?
Yeah.
I don't
Watched
think
it a few times. This is how you wear it.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Yes, you do. This fits fine on me.
Her style and my style are very different.
Like button it.
Give me my cardigan.
The funny thing is, when I wear it, it goes like, because I have no food.
I mean, I like doing this. I mean, it doesn't matter.
No, that's what you do all the time.
I don't think it matters. It just falls on its own.
Yeah.
I guess it is tight, but I guess I like
Can you
it.
breathe? The cardigan sleeves are my favorite.
But yeah, that's how it looks on both of our body shapes.
I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else.
So this is the next piece. As you guys saw in my haul recently, I wore it wrong. I made a note in the video because I didn't realize I was wearing it wrong. I just forgot about it, okay? And this, I think, fits perfectly on your body. Gives you the right shape.
You want to wear it the right way now?
Please ignore my bra straps, but oh, it's not that bad. It fits a little tighter on me, you know.
You can see your bra more.
Yeah. Kind of looks weird on my armpit though, don't you think? No?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not just me. It's not just my body that experiences
Yeah,
that.
but like if you put your head through here, then maybe
neck is supposed to go through this big hole that I didn't realize. Also, you guys should note that if you have a wider chest or bigger boobs, the fabric is gonna literally stretch and you're gonna see a little bit more of your bra underneath. But for my sister, you didn't have that problem.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
So this is the scoop neck that I mentioned from the previous haul. I mean, okay, I need to stop saying that.
I like it.
This is her style. You can keep it, I have a blonde one too.
It feels like it fits perfectly.
Perfectly. So I'm realizing that there's a pattern. Things seems to be more tight on me. No. Well, I only do that because they feel suffocated sometimes. No, you don't. Okay, big booby girls. You guys know how like it feels when you feel like it's so tight and you're just like. Ugh. You can't relate.
Don't even come at me!
My turn. What? So this is how it fits on me. The only thing I will say is that it's a little tight on the armpit, so I kind of had to pull it in. Be mindful if you have a little bit more meat like me, but besides that, this shirt is pretty much comfortable for the both of us because the fabric is a little bit more flexible. I think it looks I just saw her the next outfit. I think this flatters the both of us in different ways. We're not trying to say that one body shape is better than the other or it looks better on one or the other. So please don't think that. We all have our own body shapes and we're just here to show you guys how it can work for the both of us.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
How did this look on you last time?
I look great. This looks good on you actually. I like the color on you. It looks like the dress you wore with Alex.
Oh.
It's a tank top with a cardigan top like this. What? The difference I know already is that this, she can tie it around her.
It's really tight on the arms. How did
Is it?
you fit it?
Well, we must have the same arms. Can you undo this so they can see the tape?
Yes. I don't know, but feel what?
Do it! Pull your pants up!
They are up.
So this has such a big, thick cushion, right?
Yeah. It's like this thick.
It's like a butt pad thick.
I just turned from an A to a D. It's so big.
We look the same. Turn to the side. Fake it till you make it. But it's good cushion.
Yeah, if you're really uncomfortable, like...
Okay, sorry. She's uncomfortable, so we got to go. You said it's tight on your arm?
Yeah. Is it not tight on your arm?
No, I think you stretched it. Okay, so this is how it looks like on me, and then if I tie it, I mean, it looks okay.
It's fine. I don't like that part.
So you tucked it in?
No, come here. Do this. Okay.
No.
There you go.
I don't think so.
It's prettier like that.
It's not that way, it's this.
No.
It's supposed to show like that. I don't like tying this up. I just would wear it like this. This thick. The arms are kind of tight now you say that, but not really. I don't think they're that tight.
They're tight.
My tight from your tights different.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
Or better. Wait, mine's so scooped. So these are basically the same tops but in different color, and you guys can just see how differently it fills.
Fills? Is it half empty or half full?
It's half empty. Mine's coming so deep. It stretches widely here. Yours?
It was just like this.
More?
Yeah.
I don't wish anything. I'm perfectly fine like this. But now you're starting to make me look like I'm wearing baby's clothes.
Maybe you should grow up.
Like I'm too big for this.
Maybe you should grow up.
No, like I'm too wide.
Maybe you should grow up.
This is how it like should kind of fit the body.
The body.
But I don't care. This looks like underwear on me. Why?
Looks fine.
Oh,
What's the problem?
this is the issue about comparison. Comparing. Comparison.
It looks fine.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
This is the green top that I really like, and I already know that it's gonna be tight on me because normally this part's tight on me.
It's already tight. You know what skill you have? You can squeeze into tight clothes. That must be your
That tight.
That must
Look
be your
at-
skill, because this is tight.
Okay, it looks tight.
Tight.
This is a flattering color.
On me or you?
For you, it like needs to do this.
Can I take it off now?
You like it? Okay, so this is how it looks on me. It is tight. Now I'm realizing how see-through my shirt is, meaning it's too tight. I'm seeing more issues happening with strapless shirts. And I was right. I already said that in my last video.
Oh.
My sister has a dress on. It's like super short though. That one never fit me. That super tight on her feels like how this is kind of super tight on me. So like we can relate. It's okay to laugh about these things. We obviously love our bodies for what they are, and I love her body. She loves my body, right?
No.
That's her own insecurity.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
I decided to throw in a two-piece set. Shut up. Shut up. You guys can see how the pants fit. This is gonna be our last comparison outfit, so take a go on. She went to put on a black strapless strapless top to look like me, but you'll never be me, bitch. You know what I mean? I'm kidding.
Is it like this? Or is it like this?
Calm down, it's not that deep. You can cinch it to give you shape, like this.
There's no shape here.
I guess for you,
There you go.
pants fit.
They're a weird length.
But they're okay.
I feel
We fit the same clothes.
Oh my god. You want to try my closet? Do they fit you?
Yes. They're a little tight on my thighs.
Do they feel tight around your thighs? No, they're loose. Like sweatpants are supposed to be.
Why you gotta do that?
There's 6 strings for no reason. I haven't seen you wear this.
Let me show you. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. You know, like it. Take it off. It looks pretty much the same on the both of us. The top at least, because it's just a sweater. I don't know what you're talking about, but I like it scrunched up. But look, it's like a nice little... I guess you could wear it either way. It doesn't really matter on me. I like it open as well. You look less flat. Yeah, like you're flat. Yeah, like you know, like if you look at a painting sometimes, like, oh, that kind of looks flat. This just brings more color and dimension to your outfit, so it doesn't look like one big block of chalk. So the pants on me are a little tight around the thighs. I mean, they're not like super tight where I can't walk or like jump or do hopscotch or jumps. It's fine. It fits on all of us. You're making me question what tight is. Let's see the comparison.
I don't want your body, but I hate you. Think about you with somebody else.
That is it for this video. I hope you guys saw the comparison in our different body shapes. Again,
Personalities.
we're not saying that one's right, one's wrong, or that it looks better on either or. Just kidding.
Everyone has their own style.
Let us know if you guys want to see me try our clothes in her closet. This was just to show that clothes fit differently on different body shapes, and because I don't have more people and I only have her, this is what y'all gonna get. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if you want to see more, and maybe next time we'll buy clothes are 2 each from like YESSTYLE. Doesn't matter what size of shape you are, so just embrace it.
Love yourself.
Embrace your body.
Damn.
Okay, until next time, I'm Cindy. Bye.